We're still raining out there, and it's going to be for a while.
You know, he was snorting the whole way. It probably sounded like a locomotive going through that course. We've got rain coming down. Watch out. It started yesterday. It's continued overnight into this morning. And unfortunately, we're going to have it on and off throughout the entire day tonight and tomorrow. So here it is, the MaxTrack Live Doppler lit up with rain. Now, it depends on where you are. As I expand the view a little bit and put the moisture into motion, where you're seeing those pockets of yellow, that's an indication of heavier precipitation. So generally it's on the light side, but you keep having these rounds coming through where it gets moderate to even heavy at times, and a lot of that's centered right through the heart of the bluegrass. It's much more sparse coverage and lighter coverage into our southern counties, but everybody's getting wet this morning. And you can see it extends all the way back into parts of Missouri and Arkansas, and that's where the heaviest rain has been so far. Now, these numbers are climbing. Our Sunday through Monday MaxTrack estimated rainfall, where you're seeing these pops of blue, that's an indication of, well, brighter blue. It's an indication of an inch or more of precipitation. So we've had some areas that are agreeing with our observed totals on the ground there, up to and over an inch since it started yesterday. And unfortunately, it's continuing. You got a stalled front north. We have a flood watch in effect. It goes through 1 o'clock tomorrow in the bluegrass, 6 p.m. into our southeastern counties. And just since midnight, which is what you're looking at, we've picked up over 0.4 of an inch of rain in Lexington, over 0.3 in Jackson, and almost a ½ an inch out towards Louisville. So the future track, the computer model showing this breaking up a little bit after a fairly soggy day. This evening, it'll back off, and then it'll fire back up as a warm front bubbles north, and then a cold front sweeps in behind it. That'll accentuate the possibility of some not only showers, but gusty showers. We'll have a strong southerly wind. And then as that tracks east, the cold front tomorrow, we should see the rain finally wrapping up Tuesday afternoon and evening across eastern counties. Yeah, that's a snow shower too. Trying to take hold on the back end of that precipitation. We've got visibility issues. We're down to 0.2 of a mile in Jackson. Low clouds, low visibility, heavy rain at times. Downtown Lexington, our live weather bug camera from our 21C Museum Hotel vantage point, part of our St. Joseph Health network of those cameras, shows it's just a dreary morning. Wind straight out of the south right now. We're in the low to mid 40s. The one good thing, I guess, is we'll get a milder push with that warm front. Temperatures may actually rise overnight. This is by 11 o'clock. We've gone from the 40s to the 50s, and then we'll peak around 60. And then see temperatures thrown in reverse tomorrow afternoon after the cold front passes, fall from around 60 into the 40s, then eventually into the 30s overnight. So rounds of rain, heavy at times, cloudy, soggy, foggy, everything you don't want in a Monday. And definitely some gloomy weather out there. Be extra cautious on the roads, your morning commute and your evening commute for that matter, and then your morning commute again tomorrow, because the showers will persist overnight into tomorrow morning. We only drop to the 40s for the low after that brief peak around 60, and then see temperatures falling later in the day past the 50s into the 40s again. So your 8-day shows we've got essentially 2 days off, Wednesday into Thursday, 2 dry days to work with. Showers back on us by Thursday night into Friday, and cold enough air on the back end of that one that we may see a little winter weather out of that one as well. Sunrise will return.